Alright, boys, we're going into the woods. Holy shit.
Yo, I didn't miss it. I was like right behind this.
No. Hey, look, that's the class all the way over there. And now we're going over here.
Oh, watch out for the dog shit.
Oh yeah, that's awesome. I bet he's watching us right now, just like, really? Fuck it. Oh, look at them. Alright. Alright. Bro, next thing we know, like, we hear breathing, like, just, like, right behind our ears.
Rapist.
Alright, let's go on, Kevin.
Time to go get this stick.
See if our sticks are still there.
Are they?
No? Wait, what? Oh, yeah, it's off. It's further down.
Maybe. Just in case.
Yeah, just in case.
This shit hurt.
It's too hot to have my hoodie on.
I like how it's all cold over there, but it's hot over here.
Oh, yeah, I see him. I see him.
Look at the shorts.
This is where we hid the weapons, boys.
Wait, what the hell is this?
Look.
It's another stick.
Yeah, it's another fucking stick. Let's go. We don't got all day.
What the fuck is that?
What?
What the fuck? You didn't see the bird?
No.
It's all. It's all the air.
Alright, look at the highway. We have to hitchhike. We're getting out of here. This is a good escape mission. And these are the weapons we found.
Nigger.
Give me my weapon. Oh yeah, Bob Chop.
Wait, where's the cane?
Is the cane?
Yeah.
I think we left it. Oh yeah, we put over here. Fuck, alright, we really are going pretty far. Holy shit. Hey, hold up. Just so we don't forget. That's the way back.
No.
gotta leave marks.
No, get your sword.
No. I'll take this shit.
What,
Yeah, I'll
dude?
fucking jab somebody with this shit. Cause that shit's too big. I can't record and fucking. Ah, shit. Where the fuck are we?
I don't know. Follow the trail to grandmother's house.
God. Yeah, oh fuck. I'm kinda glad I'm recording this now.
What? Did you see that?
Yep.
Dude, like, look at the fucking bird. Look how stupid it looks. Like, it's all.
Shit.
You wanted a bigger stick.
Oh, about to hitchhike. Gotta get the fuck out of here.
Oh, fuck.
Escape cubano.
Oh, we're in Ecuador.
Yeah, that's the way back. Alright. Alright, so that's the way back right there. Remember that. Ain't trying to get lost.
We'll remember this, alright?
Oh, let me put like the symbol. No. Oh shit. Remember, we got like 20 minutes. Oh. Let's get her going. It's actually only been like 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Yeah.
Yeah, where the hobos at?
Looking for someone out here to kill. We carved these weapons yesterday.
My weapon's Ecuador.
Look at we're going past the fence. We're illegal immigrants. Oh, there's a fence right there. Never mind. Is this the farthest we could go, Nesto?
Off trail.
Time to go across the border.
Get clips. It's all fucking. What's off? Oh shit, there's no trail.
No, okay.
Is it a trail? Are you breathing
Yeah, just I was like, it was like pretending like we're about to go fight somebody.
Trail.
Ow, fuck.
Yo, watch this get lost on, I swear. Just remember that thing right there.
Yeah, just remember like this is the way back.
Right there. What is it? That tree?
Tree stump, yeah.
Wait, so this way or that way?
Here, honestly, we need to leave more relics behind. No relics. We have to. There's no way we're gonna remember our shit back. Leave one. Leave the small one. We need a big weapon.
Big gun.
We'll come back for it once we're done.
Here, take a baby knife.
Shit, how am I gonna just
Shake somebody.
We're in the deep woods now.
Here comes your hobo. Sir, watch your hobo just like pop
Yeah,
out.
you're gonna have to fight. This ain't gonna do shit.
Shake is a Jeremiah.
No.
Anyway, he's been like this the whole time. Just been like, shake him, Jeremiah.
Shit.
We're not off school grounds, are we?
Yeah, this is the border right here.
Border Patrol. Let me get out. Yeah. Alright, where the fuck are we going?
I don't know.
Alright, you better turn around and walk straight.
Should we turn back around? Because we're going absolutely
No.
fucking nowhere.
On this stick.
It's kind of grassy. Let's leave that right there. Relic. Good try not to get lost.
Another weapon.
Shit's getting much.
your socks or something?
Yeah, see, look. That shit's getting much.
New
New knife. Alright.
Yo, what the fuck? Is that the highway? Look at the sign right there.
Yeah, this is legit the fucking highway.
Border Patrol. Let's go to Pop Tables.
The other way was Papa Chevo's. This is
We can
hitchhiking.
still go that way.
Just in case. Yeah.
Oh, we're not the first ones.
Someone else has have been on this path.
I don't think they came back.
Yep. Those were the missing children of 1984.
I'm about to get some more in 2019.
No wonder our school is so poor because they had to cover up the crime scene.
Nature walk.
Nature walk.
Come here, hobos. Oh, you need a new weapon? You need a new weapon?
I'll probably throw this at him. There is a hobo.
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, I think that's actual fucking border patrol.
What the fuck? That's a shack. Is that where the hobo lives?
No, that's
a car
legit
right
as
there, too.
We're about to get jumped.
Papa Chevos? Just in case. You need a bigger one.
Shit.
Wait.
We out here.
What the fuck is the sign say?
I bet you the people in cars are just looking at us like, what the fuck
Jeremiah's
is
starting a
this?
vlog? What?
No, this is just... I'm not posting. This is just for me. Only we will remember this.
When your first YouTube video, I'm pretty sure you vlogged, right? Or Deja did.
I don't know. Well, we're actually about to get jumped. Yo, is that a guy?
Perhaps.
Maybe, or maybe that's just a tree. I don't know. Hold up.
You can't hop over the fence. He's not a Mexican. Dude, what the, that shack's low-key fucking weird, too.
Yeah, look. Oh, yeah, all the windows are boarded up.
Zombie
Oh,
land.
fuck no.
Right, we're just gonna go around here.
Another relic.
We parents get mad at you. Oh, what the fuck? That's a dumb shit.
Alright, so this motherfucking got... This is farmland.
Oh, yeah.
Where the fuck are we going? Where is this taking us?
Exactly.
Alright, it's barely 10:03. We're good. Shit.
We got to like 10:20.
Yeah, more like 10, maybe 20, 25. Then we gotta start heading the fuck back. Honestly, where the fuck are we going?
You gotta get the view.
I've been getting the view. I've been getting the cars, the fucking shack.
I gotta bug
Leave
about
that
it.
shit right there. Relic.
New gun.
Shit.
New weapon.
Weapon.
You just get you on a wand. You can go pastronium, pastrami.
Oh shit.
My extra chromosomes are kicking in.
They're kicking. Bro, I can't wait to show this to them that we actually fucking win.
Cause they're niggas.
They didn't believe us, but look at it, bro. We're on fucking farmland now.
Like
fucking
shotgun
land-
farmers. What? What the fuck?
A fucking Lenny and what's his name?
Lenny? Oh, Lenny and George.
Yeah. It's us right now. Traveling down west.
I mean, I'm the fucking retard.
You got the gun, so I don't know. I'm the retard.
Watch, I'm pretty sure this didn't come around the school. Hey, perhaps. Because we came over from over there, right?
Yeah.
Maybe.
This actually might lead back.
Huh?
I think it is leading back.
Yeah. Perhaps.
Maybe, because no, when we started, we were like all over.
See, if we would have turned the way you said, we probably would have got lost.
What?
The
Which
other
way?
We would have turned left, we would have got lost. Oh,
We
yeah,
are
the
turning
school's right
left.
there. Oh,
Oh, we all fucked no, Oh, fuck. Alright, it's either we can go to Papa Chevo's and get robbed, or we go back to school. Yeah, fuck that way. We're getting jumped over there. No. Bro, next thing you know, he goes out with an actual shotgun and tells us to get off his property.
Hold this, alright. We're gonna go look around. No, we're turning back around right
Yeah,
now.
this is back to school. That's fucking, yeah.
We have to find out.
Hopefully this is back to school for now, and then
We have to turn around and go the other way. Ooh, look at the little one. Right where the kid's died.
yes. It's like a little pathway right there. That's not trusting. Yeah, this pathway right into the fucking woods.
Right.
Yeah, shoot, shoot.
That Papa Chevo?
It's like that. Just in case. Or I'll throw the motherfucking stick at him.
Kid's been here. Little shit's been here. We're by
Yeah.
school.
Yep. See, talkies, bags on the floor, that means, yeah.
Yeah,
Kids
those
have been here.
Mexicans around. If you plan on showing this to your parents, you don't, because I said a lot of bad words.
Oh, yeah. I'm not, that's why I'm not posting it, because they follow my YouTube channel.
They do?
Yeah, they subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
That's why I'm not. It's just
Wait,
just
so
for
your
me.
parents know you cuss though, right?
Oh, yeah, all the time.
All the time.
They hear it from me on the daily.
On the daily.
Yeah.
Oh, I mean, that came in one of your videos before. Do your parents know who I am?
Maybe. No.
Why be like, oh yeah, what's your gamer tag? What the fuck is that?
That's fine.
He's sick.
Oh, what the f...
What?
It's a little entryway.
How's it going, beaners? Dude, do you see that weird? Come here.
What?
Just look out, go through it and go that way.
That's great.
You see what it is?
Yeah, that's...
Let's go closer.
Let's get it, like, kind of a better view, I guess. Yo, there's so many ways that there's that way back there. There's literally, there's the back way down there to the farm. We could probably rob one of these houses this way.
Here, Robo with the stick. What'd you say to me? So my extra chromosomes really work.
It came in handy.
Yeah, bro, what is that? I kind of want to take it.
Where are we actually going, though? Like, I don't
know.
think this is leading back to school.
Maybe.
Actually, we could cut cross just right here.
No cross, no cross.
So I'll put that right there.
Just in case.
I think that's the back way to school, maybe? I don't know. I feel like we went too far west. Or it's, yeah. Or it's either west or east. I don't know. I wasn't paying attention.
I got you.
It's not gonna help. That's not even recognizable. Ah, shit.
Jeremiah day in life. I got spider webs on my face. When I'm an adult, I'm gonna travel to Africa, and I'm gonna say the N-word. I
Yeah.
Two direction way. Which way?
Well, let's find out first. Let's think about it.
Okay.
No.
Oh no. Which one looks safe? Oh, there's a school. Yeah,
Our
we passed
school?
it. Get the on camera.
That's our school?
Yeah, you gotta zoom in, buddy.
Yeah, I think so. Are you sure?
Looks like it. Should we just hop the fence? Should we get closer?
I can't hop fences, remember?
Oh yeah. We'll just go over there and look for now.
There's a little pathway right there in front of me.
Oh yeah. It's probably the way to Pop Chevo.
That's so. What about this way though? That's all fucking woods. Esto, come back.
You gotta go through here.
No.
I'm pretty sure there's an opening. We're on the side. Can we keep on, should we keep on following the trail?
Oh, this is the part of the field, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, let's just go keep following the trail. Got me new weapon?
The weapon?
This one I might.
might have poison oak.
How that we think about it. I want to go. Okay, let's just go.
You gotta make smart choices.
Wait a minute. So this should lead back to the Papa Chibbles.
Yeah,
right?
there's footsteps right here too.
Oh yeah. So this is the way to
There's
Papa
hobo,
Chibbles.
hobo footprints. Why are they all going the other direction?
I don't know. Wait, escaping.
Escaping from the naggers.
Hopefully our calculations. Yeah,
Wait.
there's a pathway right down there, or we keep going straight.
Why are there tires?
This is where fucking Papa Chibbles. I think this is back to school.
Let's see. How do you know? Y'all ain't niggers?
Yeah, that way we're
What the
that
thing-
way is fucking Papa Chibbles. This is back to school. I'm pretty sure. Hopefully.
Perhaps.
Perhaps. I mean, there's a tire right here, so probably.
Uh-oh. Just in case. Hobos?
Come on.
Oh, this is back to school.
Yeah.
Should I throw the stick down?
Shit.
Should I get rid of the stick?
Yeah, just hide it somewhere.
Should I get rid of the stick?
Hide it. Hide it. Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Try.
Oh, shit.
No more stick.
Yeah, so that way's Papa Chibbles. So that's where the people. Now we know. Papa Chibbles next time. All right, bad. We're coming back from the war.
Part 2 next.
Yeah, part 2 next time. From the war of 1884.
Neutral up.
Oh, we're back.
Holly doesn't show.
Alright, let's go
Should we
to.
go back around?
Let's just go to Kiona.
I think we should go back. Let's go around. Let's go back.
No, that'll be tomorrow, episode 2.
No, tomorrow's an early day. We can't.
What time is it right now? I mean, we could go. Let's go. You
already know. No part 2. No part 2.
No part 2, only one video.
Should I take off my sweater? It's kind of hot. Let's go in here and then I'm gonna take off my sweater.
Out of slip. Shit. Alright. And now we're going to the pathway because we still got time. We got hella time.
Yeah, it must be P. Wait, what about the weapon?
The weapon? Pass it up. Get the weapon. Oh fuck. Alright.
It's probably getting hot as fuck.
Yeah, honestly,
I'm gonna put on my sweater. I'm gonna take off my sweater. You want the first?
Hey, I don't want that shit. Just take the fucking gun.
Batter up.
I can tell I'm kind of out of breath. Like, fuck.
Let me just put this right here. How do you put that, like, whole
Oh,
sleeve?
yeah.
God. Here's my... You got a problem, pussy?
Got a problem,
Can I
partner?
be holding it, like, in my sweater and you just go like this? Is that a problem? Different way. I like how you're just recording the ground.
Oh, yeah, because sometimes I'm like looking ahead. I'm not doing this. Like, I don't know. You gotta be a vlogger. This is not supposed to be good content. It's just this is us in the fucking woods. On all that fucking Papa Chibbles.
Who the fuck drinks these?
Do you even know where Papa Chibbles is?
No, honestly, I don't. I've never been there.
I don't know if I've been there, but I don't know the pathway there from here.
I have something in it. Gotta be
Keep going.
Let's go to Noah's Ark.
No, it's hard. Papa Chibbles are coming. I have some fucking beans and rice. A good old burrito. You know what I'm saying?
And tacos.
Tacos.
Did I think that some people died back here?
Yeah, I think
This
so.
would be a great spot to stack some kids. Okay, what the hell's down there?
Oh, this is like,
That's the row?
yeah.
I live.
There's a border.
There's school. There's the bell. What time is it?
No, that's fucking Los Alamos bell. It's that loud without we could hear it from here.
There's another turn.
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
Yeah, somebody fucking died back here, 100%. This is back to the school though. Oh yeah, people will hop right here. That's the Papachellos.
So this way.
This
This way
is-
to grandmother's house. Oh, we're coming out to the back now.
Yeah, we come back from the back. Yeah, so that's, you have to hop the fence to go to Papachello.
Horse is in the back.
Yeah. You can tell people have hopped over it many times.
Fuck you, alright? Alright, that's fine. Take off my sweater, maybe. From the war.
Ugh, shit, yeah, we came back. Alright, let's go to fucking Keone. Why not?
We basically did school.
Yeah. Now we're back. So not really.
Why the hell did I sell the stick?
Oh, because we didn't come back the other way. Let's just go, like, kind of over there. Like, then let's just go back over there, drop the fucking stick. Yeah.
Gonna go all the way around?
No, not all the way around. Let's go, like, right there.
I think we should go the other side next time.
What do you mean?
Other way. Figure that takes us.
Oh, the other part? Alright. Where we actually get lost?
Dude, tell Mr. Yeah, I know Mr. O doesn't care about us.
Yeah,
Put
probably
this
even.
on YouTube and post Marina at Marina.
Yeah, they even notice we're gone, bro. Fuck. I don't know, but I don't want to get his ass fired though.
I do.
I know you do.
Make sure you cut that part out.
This one.
Worst teacher ever.
Right here. Oh, shit. And just like that fucking.
What a bunch of dumbasses.
Fuck is that? Yeah, I see that little like dip right there where we like fucking ran down. Just drop that shit down there and we're gone.
Sure about that? Bro?
Yeah, I'm sure about that.
Right. Sure about that?
I'm fucking sure.
Sure.
Ah.
Sure
Oh,
about that, bud.
please. Alright, it's arthritis on that shit or something.
What the fuck you say to me?
Drop the stick down there. Do a good launch.
Get rid of the stick.
Yeah, I'm gonna record where it is so we know next
Get rid
time.
of the stick. That's
I
no more
don't think
stick.
you meant. We'll come back for that. This is
Probably
on
never.
video, so. Or maybe not. We'll take the other sticks that we left out there and regather them. Alright, now let's go to Keone. Oh, fuck. We're back.
Mr. O won't notice we're gone.
Alright, you still, look, you've already even noticed. We're back. Whoa. Oh, my bad. My bad.
Failure in making.
Failure in making.
We're just gonna hold there.
Yeah, that's it. Look at our gym, though. Look at our gym.
Fuck yeah.
I don't mean the flex, but man, shit's fucking lit.
I thought that should let Baba Trevor. That's such a fail.
Yeah, fucking have to hop over the fence. I'm not doing that. Fuck Papacellos. Fight me if you want to. I'll take track shit. No bad boy, no bad boy, no bad boy, no bad boy. Fucking back hurts, dog.
What the fuck is going
I
on?
don't know. That's how you're good. Just for less? I don't know. I'm done. I'm done. After what we just went through, I'm done. Alright, we came back.
We're done.
You know, you guys could have came with us, but yeah, we're...
No.
It's hot as hell.
Yeah, shit. But, oh, dude, my back fucking hurts.
Oh shit.
Alright. That was... shit, bro. I actually fucked up my back.
So
We came
no
back.
hobos.
No hobos.
Failed mission.
We were supposed to find hobos, yes. That's...
Oh, that's funny.
We're supposed to kill them.
Yeah, we still kill these fuckers, huh?
Man,
Alright, fuck those little
this
niggas.
fucks. Oh, shit. Yeah, I'm fucking sweaty. I'm sweaty.
You guys want me to go around too?
We don't have time anymore.
What the fuck? Look at that.
Getting bug on me.
Cold as fuck.
God damn.
It's hella cold. What do you mean?
What? Now I'm fucking cold.
It's cold. It's cold as fuck, Dad. Is she recording?
Yeah, I'm recording the aftermath.
Aftermath.
Us suffering. Again, these two, they went with us, but no.
Bunch of dropouts.
Yeah, high school dropouts right there. Oh, this is it. This is the end.
The end game.
We'll be back tomorrow.
And don't
Hey.
forget to watch on YouTube the parody copy of Endgame
I-
at me.
At me.